In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the bulleted list feature. Now as you can see, we've got the default page layout present in front of us. All we need to do is click on the section as a whole, click on the plus icon that appears at the bottom of the section, and under the Elements tab, just click on the list element. Now you should be able to see your element appear. Make sure that you've selected the entire list and you know that you're doing this right when a bounding box appears around the items of the list. Now click on the list. Once you click on the list on the right side of the page under the Contents tab, you should be able to see a drop-down menu appear. Now you could choose from the various list styles which include disk, circle, square, number, number leading 0, lower alpha, lower Roman, upper Roman, and lower Greek. Now for the purpose of this example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose lower Roman. Now if in case you wish to add more items to the list, simply go to the last item present on the list, click on enter, and add your text. Now once you're done doing that, if you wish to edit the contents within the list, all you need to do is click on the list as a whole once again. You could choose from the various font families. You could also choose text color, and so on. And that's about it on the bulleted list feature.